Hi, I'm Kelly. For years, my mornings started the same way. I'd swing my legs out of bed, put my feet on the floor, and immediately feel that deep stiffness in my knees. Walking down the stairs felt like I was much older than I really was. I loved gardening and playing with my grandkids, but slowly I found myself sitting on the sidelines because my joints just couldn't keep up. At first, I thought it was normal aging, something I had to accept, but it was heartbreaking to watch my little granddaughter tug at my hand, wanting me to run and play, and having to say no. Even simple chores felt exhausting. I tried stretching, I tried different remedies, but nothing seemed to give lasting relief. I honestly started believing my active days were behind me. That's when I heard about Joint Genesis. I'll admit I was skeptical. Another supplement? Would it really make a difference? But what caught my attention was that it wasn't just about masking pain. The formula was designed to actually help restore the lubrication and cushioning inside the joints, something our bodies naturally lose with age. It had natural ingredients like hyaluronic acid, Boswellia, and ginger root, all known to support mobility and flexibility. And most importantly, it came with a 180-day money-back guarantee. That gave me the courage to give it a try. I started taking just one capsule a day with my meals. The first couple of weeks I didn't notice much, but then I realized one morning that I could go down the stairs without that awful grinding ache. A few weeks later, I was bending in my garden, pulling out weeds, and it struck me I wasn't wincing with every move. The stiffness was fading. My joints felt smoother, more comfortable, almost like someone had oiled rusty hinges. And the best moment? Running around in the backyard with my granddaughter without having to stop every few minutes. And these days I even go on short treks. I had tears in my eyes because I finally felt like myself again. If you're where I was, tired of the stiffness, tired of missing out, please don't wait. Joint Genesis gave me back my freedom of movement and my confidence, and it might just do the same for you. I only recommend ordering from the official website so you know you're getting the real product and the full guarantee. It's risk-free, and trust me, your future self will thank you. You can find the link to the official website in the description below. That's my story, and I hope it inspires you to take a step toward healthier, happier joints. If sharing this helps even one person get back to doing the things they love, it's worth it. Stay active, stay hopeful, and take care.